Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, February the 10th and 11th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, 1 Killer Sudoku, and 2 Sudokus with 3 stars. Let me start with this one. Sudoku with 3 stars, number 7975. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. I believe 26. Yeah, I've already counted 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, yeah, tomorrow we have an additional. Usually the 2 stars puzzle has 26 printed digits. A 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. So this Sudoku has 1 printed digit more. Well, for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 2 stars puzzle, yeah, with 26 printed digits, 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number? Can I pick? How about the 7 in this row? The 7 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7. Should be there. 7. 7. Okay. 5. Okay. How about need an 8 here. We have a pair. The 8 and the 6 in this row. The 8 and the 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6 is 6. Alright. Then. Let me see. Need a 6 here. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Let me think. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 6 and the 3. 3, 6. How about the number? Well, we have here 8 also, and a 5 here also. I need to think. Need a 5 here. 4. Need a 7 here. Come on. 8. Well, 8 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. And here can be an 8, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 in the last row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to the last column. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright, need a 1 here. Okay. Need a 3 here. I need a 6 there. Oh, overlook this 6. 8 and 6, we already have a 6 here in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 6 in this column, the 6 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 6 should be there. 6. Oh, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes here. 6 in the third row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 3, and 4 I need. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 in this column. So no 1 there. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 here in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. Need a 4 here. And yeah. Need a 3 there. Need a 1 here. Okay. Do I have all the 8s? Let me count. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in this row. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in this row could be here, could be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Middle column, 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. All right, 2 and the 1, 9 and the 3. Well, 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. These 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. Another pair. So the last pair in this big square are the numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 and 5. The 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, and now 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 2. Well, need a 3 here. Need a 7 there. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the third column could be here, here, or there. Here, or there, we see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the last row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay, 7. Need a 5 here. Right. Need a 3 there. And how about these 2, 4, 6. Need a 6 here. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Do we have all the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 in the third row, last row. 4 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. How about the number? Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the middle, second column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Do we have all the 5s? No. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. And now, how about the one in the last column, the one in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 1 should be there. 3 and then 9. Well, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 1 box left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright. 9 here. Okay, 2 missing. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Then, yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Bijna. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 minus the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square, same numbers, the 3 and the 9, the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 9 goes there, 50 minutes exactly. Well, told you, should be a 2 stars, a puzzle, and we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles, the Killer Sudoku, the Binary, and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.